One second. Wait.
Give it to Naveen. Package give it to Naveen. Naveen asked him to tell.
He is a national and she is our incoming president. Shamini.
కొంచెం వెనక ఉన్నాను చల్
Check. To do interiors like this, how much is it cost? Generally. No, please can't do it. That's why I said this.
4,000.
Oh no. Okay. From a basic shell.
Resorting to the surname board.
So sir, this is open. So we have been in Granite, the largest exporter of gold from India. And 3 years back we got into the domestic market as well. So you will see a lot of our collections here, which is being exported. Yeah. Mr. Gautam Jain is the same. Stanza also, he had diamonds also, but now his brother is taking care of it. These are all the
Right also available there only.
So even the quartz collection. Yeah, close by. Yeah.
One more pattern.
So we have around like, you know, like from Calcutta, so these two different colors, different design, different texture.
They have all this composite marble pots for all the flooring.
Actually, sir, you should come and visit our factory once it's at Mega Goda, and it's really beautiful. You know, you'll see 6 robots making those designs.
Everything is automated. Everything is in their factory.
Yeah, check. To do interiors like this, how much is it cost? Generally. No, please can't do it. That's why I said this.
4,000.
Oh no. Okay. From a basic shell.
Now it goes here.
Yeah.
This is one more.
Last year, couple of is that we launched a showroom in Hyderabad. It's doing good, sir. Hyderabad is in a very promising. Hopefully, next couple of years we have a factory. Create the employee more. Telangana government. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Students already you are encouraged.
Here you have to
You can give the introduction.
Actually, we are very excited and happy to have our guests Punnam Prabhat Garu and Padmavati Garu for this inaugural session of IIIT Showcase Inside X 2026. We also have our NEC from all the chapters from Mumbai and from all the head offices people are there here. So today our chief guest will be talking about this particular showcase.
Heroes, today I'm I'm representing as an architect and as an MLA. This is the IIIT show that all of us know in our fraternity. And I must congratulate all the exhibitors. I think they've done fantastic at an international level, showing with their stalls and the products they've displayed. I congratulate the team who has organized this and bringing it to Hyderabad. And hopefully our government of Telangana, we will also do something to help such prestigious institutions to go forward. Thank you.
On behalf of the Indian Institute of Interior Designers, I thank the Honorable Minister Sir Ponnam Sir to be here present, and Padma Madam, who is also an architect and a part of the fraternity. And I'm glad that we are all in Hyderabad. Hyderabad is one of the most performing and the biggest chapters of India, of IIT. IIT is a pan-India organization having 11,000 architects, interior designers and trade members as its members. Now, why are we doing this phase? Why are we doing these exhibitions? It is for two simple reasons. To increase the awareness about this industry, that is number one, and also to make sure that all the common citizens of the city be here, explore what is available, what is there in the market, and it helps because see, everyone likes to own a home, everyone wants a beautiful home. Now how do they make a beautiful home? If you are here, if you are listening to this, be here. This exhibition is going to be there for 3 days, for the next 3 days, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. So be here. You will find a lot of important things, a lot of things that can make your home beautiful, that can enhance your knowledge. You will see the students' workshops that they have done, created beautiful artifacts. So there is something for everyone over here. So please be here, and we are proud to be, a part of IIT. And thank you once again to Sir and Madam for being here. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
ప్రపంచంలో కూడా అతివేగంగా పెరుగుతున్న నగరం హైదరాబాద్. నివాస యోగ్యంగా వాతావరణ పరిస్థితుల దృష్ట్యా కానీ భౌగోళిక పరిస్థితి అన్ని రకాల అనుకూలించే హైదరాబాద్లో ఈరోజు ఇండియన్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ ఆఫ్ డిజైనర్స్ ఇంటీరియర్ డిజైనర్కి సంబంధించినటువంటి ఒక షో నడుస్తూ ఉంది. ఇక్కడ ఒక ప్రదర్శన భారతదేశంలో అనేక రాష్ట్రాల నుంచి ఇక్కడ వచ్చి మన ఇంటికి సంబంధించిన అన్ని రకాల అంటే ఇల్లును అద్భుతంగా తీర్చిదిద్దగలిగేటువంటి సాంకేతికమైనటువంటి మార్పులతోటి ఈరోజు ఇక్కడ మరి హైదరాబాద్ రియల్ ఎస్టేట్ కావచ్చు, బిల్డర్స్ సంబంధించి కావచ్చు, సొంతగా ఇల్లు కట్టుకునేటువంటి వాళ్ళందరికీ ఇది ఒక మంచి మార్గదర్శిగా ఒక అవగాహన కలిగే విధంగా ఉంది. కాబట్టి మరి తెలంగాణ ప్రభుత్వం తరఫున కూడా వీరందరికీ శుభాకాంక్షలు తెలియజేస్తూ గౌరవ ముఖ్యమంత్రి గారు ప్రత్యేకించి నన్ను మరి గౌరవ శాసనసభ్యులు గారు తను బేసికల్గా ఎడ్యుకేటెడ్ యాజ్ ఇంటీరియర్గా ఇంజనీరింగ్ చేసినటువంటి వ్యక్తిగా మేమిద్దరు ఇక్కడికి వచ్చి వీళ్ళతో సంప్రదించాం. తప్పకుండా భవిష్యత్తులో తెలంగాణ ప్రభుత్వం తరఫున ఈ యొక్క మనకున్నటువంటి ప్రకృతి రీత్యా ఉన్న ఈ భౌగోళిక పరిస్థితుల్లో మరి దేశంలో అనేక మంది రిటైర్ అయిన వాళ్ళు కూడా ఇక్కడ నివసించే విధంగా యోగ్యత అటువంటి ఆ వాతావరణం దృష్ట్యా ఈ ఇంటీరియర్స్ సంబంధించినటువంటి ఏదైతే వీళ్ళు ఈరోజు ఇక్కడ స్టాల్స్ పెట్టి ఒక ప్రదర్శన చేస్తూ ఉన్నారో ఇది అందరూ ఒక అవగాహన కొరకు వినియోగించుకోవాలని కోరుతూ వారందరికీ కూడా నిర్వాహకులకు పాల్గొనే వాళ్ళందరికీ శుభాకాంక్షలు.